everyone, Namaste. Welcome to my YouTube channel, The Chubby Girl. I'm Arpita Geji and I'm doing a food challenge in this video where my friends will control my food for one day. So I have made some rules here. So I've written few friends' name in some chits. So whenever I like to eat or drink something, I'll just pick that chit. Whoever's name will come on that chit, I'll just call that person and ask, what should I have for dinner or morning, like breakfast, anything. So whatever that my friend will suggest me, I have to prepare and eat it. Sounds interesting and I'm super excited for this food challenge. So without wasting any more time, we'll just directly jump into the video. Good morning guys, it's 8:30 in the morning and let's pick our first chit and know what we'll get for our breakfast. Okay, it's Indu. So let's call her.
Hello.
Hi Indu, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತಿ?
ಏನಿಲ್ಲ ಅರ್ಪಿತ, ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂತಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀನು?
ನಾ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅಲ್ಲೇ ಫುಡ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ವೇರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮೈ ಫುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಒನ್ ಡೇ. ಸೊ ನಾ ಚಿಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದದ. ಸೊ ನೀ ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ?
I can tell any one.
ಹಾ, ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಟೆಲ್ ಒನ್. ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಒಂದ್ ಏನ್ ತಿನ್ಬೋದ್ ನಾ?
Dokla.
ಡೋಕ್ಲಾ? ಬ್ರೇಕ್ಫಾಸ್ಟಿಗೆ ಡೋಕ್ಲಾ?
Yeah, ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಸೊ ನಾ ಹೇಳಿದ್ನಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು.
ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ದೆನ್ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Okay guys, you have heard it. She wants me to have dokla for breakfast. Like dokla is a snack thing we can have for evening snacks but not for breakfast, I guess. However, we'll prepare dokla now and let's have our breakfast.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Okay, somehow I have prepared dokla. Let's see how it tastes. So I have 2 doklas and green chilies and pudina chutney with me. Let's have a breakfast. Actually, yeah, it's nice. It's pretty good. You can see it. The dokla is spongy. It's good. Okay guys, I'll finish my breakfast and I'll see you at lunch. Hi again. It's 12:30 in the afternoon and I'm a bit hungry. Actually, those 2 doklas didn't fill my stomach. So let's see what can we have for a small snack. Okay, we have Janvi. Okay, let's call her.
A few moments later.
We'll call her again.
Hello.
ಹಾ, ಹಲೋ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಕತ್ತಿ?
ನಾನು ಮನೆಯಿಂದ ಮೂವಿ ನೋಡಕತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ನೀನು?
ಹೌದಾ, ನಾ ಒಂದ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಿಗ ಫುಡ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕ ಸ್ನಾಕ್ ನಾ ಚಿಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ದಾಗ ನಿನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದದ. ಸೊ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಸ್ನಾಕ್ ಆಗಿ ನಂಗೆ ಏನಾದ್ರೂ ಹೇಳ. ಹಾ ನೈಸ್. ಹೌದು, ನೈಸ್ ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಆಯ್ತು ತಗೋ. ಆಯ್ತು, ನಾನೀಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಹಚ್ತೇನೆ ಹಂಗಾರ. So she has given me a wonderful idea that I can have a soup for snack. So let's have soup. So guys, we have our soup, that is Ching's sweet corn soup. Let's taste it. Good afternoon guys, it's 2 in the noon and let's see what we gonna get for lunch. So it's Bhagya, so let's call her now. ಹಾ ಹಲೋ ಭಾಗ್ಯ, ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾತಿ?
ಟಿವಿ ನೋಡಾಕಿದ್ದೆ.
ಹೌದಾ, ಅಂದ್ರ ನಾ ಒಂದ್ ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬಿಗ ಫುಡ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಾತಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದ್ರೊಳಗ ವೇರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮೈ ಫುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 day. ಸೊ ಲಂಚಿಗ ಚಿಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದೈತಿ. ಸೊ ನಂಗೆ ಏನ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ ಲಂಚಿಗ್ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ?
ಈಗ ಲಂಚಿಗೆ ನಿಮ್ಗ ಕಿಚಡಿ ತಿನ್ನಲ್ಲ?
ಕಿಚಡಿ?
ಹಾ,
ಬಾರೆ ಏನ್ರ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಾ?
ಕಿಚಡಿ ತಿನ್ನ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಆಯ್ತಾಯ್ತು, ಹಂಗಾರೆ ನಾನು ಹಿಂಗ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಓಕೆ.
So guys, she wants me to have khichdi for no reason. Like I feel khichdi is eaten when you are sick. Like the people who are sick, those people will eat khichdi. But however, we have got a challenge that we have to prepare khichdi and we'll eat. So I'm super hungry. Let's prepare our lunch. Okay guys, I have my lunch here, that is khichdi. My mom has helped me to make this. So let's eat. It's good, but I'm not a huge fan of khichdi. So let me finish my lunch and I'll see you in the evening. Good evening guys, it's 6 in the evening and in between I took a nap, and let's see what we can have for evening snack. Okay, we have Nagratna. With love we call her as Choti, so let's call Choti.
ಹಲೋ ಅರ್ಪಿತಾ.
ಏನ್ ಮಾಡಾಕತ್ತಿ?
ನಾನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್.
ವರ್ಕ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹೋಮ್. ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾವೊಂದು ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಚಾನೆಲ್ ಈಗ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಲೈಕ್ ವೇರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮೈ ಫುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 day. ಸೊ ಚಿಟ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ನಿನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ. ಸೊ ನೀ ಏನ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ನನ್ಗೆ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಈಗ, ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ನಾಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಏನಾರು ತಗೊಳಕ?
ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತಿ
ಹಾ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿತೇನೆ ಅಫ್ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಕುಡಿತಾರ.
ಓಕೆ ಅದ್ರೊಳಗೆ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ.
ಓಕೆ ಹಾ ಹೇಳ.
ನೀನ್ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟೀ ಕುಡಿಬೇಕು.
ಏನು ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟೀ?
ಯಾ
ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಟೀ ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಟಫ್ ಬಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ.
ಓಕೆ
ಓಕೆ
ಆಲ್ ದಿ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. Okay guys, my friend, she wants me to have black tea. It's bit a challenge for me because I don't like, or neither I prefer black tea. I can have black coffee. I regularly have black coffee, but black tea, no. However, it's a challenge. Let's prepare black tea now. Okay guys, I have black tea and 2 biscuits with me. Let's drink this. It's not bad, but we can't have this daily. Actually guys, I remembered something by saying this black tea and biscuit. I think in India we have only 2 kinds of biscuit. One is Parle-G that goes inside the cup and never comes back. And I think one more is Marigold which never goes inside the cup. Like just a thought. So I'll enjoy my black tea and biscuits. I'll see you at the dinner. Welcome back guys, it's dinner time. It's around 9:30 PM now. Let's pick our last chit for our food challenge and let's see what can we have for our dinner. So it's Appu. Okay, now let's call her. I just hate this. ಹಲೋ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿ? ಹೌದಾ, ನಾನು ಫುಡ್ ಚಾಲೆಂಜ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ವೇರ್ ಮೈ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ಕಂಟ್ರೋಲ್ ಮೈ ಫುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ 1 day. ಸೊ ಡಿನ್ನರ್ ಈಗ ನಿನ್ ಹೆಸರು ಬಂದದ. ಸೊ ನೀ ಏನ್ ಸಜೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿ ನಂಗೆ ತಿನ್ನಾಕ? ಮ್ಯಾಗಿ? ಹಾ ಹೌದು, ಮಸ್ತ್ ಇರ್ತದ ತಗೋ. ಆಯ್ತು, ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಯು ಲೇಟರ್ ದೆನ್. ಬಾಯ್. So guys, she told me to have Maggi. Such a wonderful food can I have for my dinner. Wow. Just wow. I don't know why these Maggi advertisement people say that Maggi can be prepared in just 2 minutes. Like, whenever I prepare Maggi, it takes at least 5 minutes. Whatever, we'll prepare our dinner and we'll enjoy it. So guys, I have prepared my dinner, that is Maggi. So let's eat it. I I just love Maggie. I can have Maggie anytime, anywhere. For me, love is Maggie. Maggie is love. Which sentence frame is correct, I don't know, but I just love Maggie. I like to have vegetable Maggie. Some people like to have plain Maggie, masala Maggie, or even cheese Maggie. You guys comment down below which kind of Maggie do you like. Now, I'll just enjoy my dinner. So guys, I had a great time doing this food challenge where my friends control my food for one day. I hope you guys have enjoyed and loved it. If you do so, please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends. Don't forget to hit that like button and comment down below. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Until then.